Okay, we got reunited. I don't know, this lady, she wanna walk wherever she wanna walk. Anyway, she's here. No, we don't need no map. I got Google. Alright, this is it. Alright, so that's where we're trying to go. This is called Basilica of Our Lady of Guadalupe. Let's see if we could go in here. Pretty huge. Alright, we just finished taking some photo ops. We heading to this Basila. I keep forgetting. Basilica of Our Lady Guadalupe. Alright, I just asked the lady if it's free. She says, "Sí, it's free." No puede? I could put it back on? Oh, no, okay. What's it got? This whole thing is church. Let me fix my hair. Alright, I have to comb in my hair. Wow.
La bendición de Dios Todopoderoso, del Padre, del Hijo y del Espíritu Santo, descienda sobre todos y permanezca para siempre. Vamos antes de despedirles, quisiera invitarlos para que vivamos en un solo corazón delante de la Santa Santísima.
This church is huge.
Siempre para reconocer la Madre de Dios y Madre nuestra. Digámosle con todo cariño. Dios te salve María, llena eres de gracia. El Señor está contigo. Bendita eres entre todas las mujeres y bendito es el fruto de tu vientre, Jesús. Santa María, Madre de Dios, ruega por nosotros los pecadores, ahora y en la hora de nuestra muerte. Amén. Y que viva la Virgen de Guadalupe. Hermanos, podemos retirarnos de la paz de Cristo. Nuestra celebración eucarística ha terminado. Que todos tengan un muy buen regreso a sus hogares y que nos sintamos acompañados siempre por la presencia de nuestra Madre y la bendición del Señor. Que Dios les bendiga a todos. Buenas tardes.
Let's check out the outside. Let's check out the exterior. Wow, they also have multiple churches. They have another one here. And I think another church there.
Ven, mamá, dame la mano, mi amor.
So that's what the front looks like. It's basically look like a dome shape. Part of me, I really don't know the history, but maybe I should read about it, and I'll get back to you on that. They're building their main Christmas tree here. Still in setup mode. This place is huge. And this is another angle. One thing about Mexico, let me call my home. Go right here. One thing about Mexico right now is December. What is it? What date is it? It's December 15th, Friday. Mexico City time. It's a bit chilly. Definitely chilly. I was anticipating Mexico to be a bit warmer, but it's on the chilly side. So if you're visiting New Mexico or Mexico in general, my speculations, it gets nippy in the month of December. So I would dress warm, bundle up, whatever. It depends on your immune system. But I got me it's a long sleeve shirt, and that sufficed the situation. So yeah. But anyway, that's the view.